Hello to all my friends out there. So I have one shrimp ramen soup and I added a few peas. And so I thought to myself, wow, what can I add to my ramen soup? Well, how about some rice? That would be good. And I want to add a little pepper on my rice. I saw these videos. You can add cilantro to your rice. You can add black beans to your rice. And then you could add that to your better ramen soup. So this is some good ramen soup. But what I found today, again, are these veggie burgers. So I thought, oh wow, yeah, that would be good with some shrimp ramen soup. And just to mention, I made 2 quesadillas, and I have a little sour cream that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I have some salsa. So, you know, I want a little snack. We don't eat until late. So, you know, this is tasty with this, but I'm not done with the ramen soup. So when you make them at home, that is 2 tostadas. And a while back, I bought a big bag of quesadilla cheese. But what I did was I got it on sale. So that was really good. Okay, so here is my veggie burger. Oh, and by the way, these are just good by themselves. But I thought, wow. There's going to be like a little egg foo young on my better ramen soup. So let's try a little. This is so hard to do. A little ramen soup. And I was trying to prepare my video, so I lost a lot of my soup, but that's okay. I have enough left. You can always add more water, but I don't like to dilute my soup because it's very tasty. And you can add any kind of vegetables. So I think there's going to be some pretty good ramen soup. Let me taste it, and I will tell you. If it's lousy, I'm going to go, wow, it's the worst thing I ever made. I hate it. It's awful, but I don't think so. So here is my bite. And so the idea is to get a few meals that are relatively cheap that you can stand eating just in case you were ever forced to. Now, okay, let me taste this. Okay, that is one of my better ramen soup meals. I have a veggie burger, shrimp ramen soup with peas and rice, and some hot sauce. And this is good. And then I have some quesadillas, and there's my leftover veggie burger, and they're good cold. And I wanted to make mention of something, so I bought these veggie burgers at Dollar Tree for 50 cents for 2, so $1. And these top ramens, I bought these at 99 cents only for 19 cents. And I buy 2 pounds of rice. I'm not really picky about rice at Dollar Tree. The salsa, I think we bought that at Ralph's. And the sour cream. Now this is nice to have around in case, God forbid, you're getting low on cheese. Yeah, that's 1 pound. I like to buy it in 1 pound. And that's 1 pound for $1. And then a while back, I bought this low-fat soy milk. And I thought, wow, that'd be really good in my tea. And then I use this cooking oil. But today I noticed at Dollar Tree, they have buttery cooking oil and coconut cooking spray oil. So, okay. So now, what is this? Okay. I got good cookies now. Really, really good cookies. Thank you, Jack's mom. Mikey ate most of them. You have to have connections to get these kind of cookies. So I was overjoyed. And look, she sent them in a nice little can. And so one of the followers mentioned she was having raspberry tea. And I noticed I did have some raspberry tea in that tea sampler. Those tea samplers are the way to go, you know. So I'm going to have a little raspberry tea in my new little teacup. And you know, this would be a perfect tea party set for a little child, you know, for having fun. See how cute and little? This is the cutest teacup. And for kids, you know, they don't have to be matched. They could have so much fun. But, you know, they're not easy. And it came with a creamer. Just to let you know, it's not as easy to find as you would think. It's not easy to find at all. And, of course, you know, I put a strawberry in my little cup. And I buy the fruit, frozen fruit. And so now I'm going to have a little of the soy milk. I thought, why not use that for the teas? That is tasty. I bought this soy milk at Dollar Tree. All right, that is one of my best ever teas. That is raspberry tea with sugar and soy milk. And here is my better shrimp ramen soup. And I have some quesadillas. And there's plenty of leftovers on this. You know, when you make your quesadillas at home, they're delicious leftover. And I have plenty of better ramen soup. And so, you know, I just want to encourage you, you know, prepare, you know, and if you get a chance, read my followers' comments. You know, be prepared. You get snowed in, that's okay. You start running out of money, that's okay, because you're used to eating a little cheap food. And, you know, make a point to, what I do is I just store the food little by little. I usually buy 2 at a time. Jack's mom is the best. The best. I am so happy I got these cookies. They are going to taste really, really good with my tea. So, okay, you guys. Let me see if I can get everything. I will try. Okay, God bless you all.